We actually have the box here where we ordered the the support on the inside. Sorry about my strap there. The support on the inside of the armrest of the Explorer Sporttrac. So we'll go ahead and then you can see where it was broken. We're going to unscrew all these screws here, and we have our new support skeleton inside here that we're going to replace, put it in here, and then install it in the truck. So, oh, I got a special guest here today. This is my dad, Rick. Rick, how you doing?
Fine.
And so we're going to go ahead and open this up and see what we got. Little unboxing for the YouTube channel over here. See what it looks like. I don't even know if we ordered the right part. Oh, look at that. It's the right part. So there it is. This is the part that broke off. I don't think you can. Yeah, you can't. It's molded in, so you can't exchange it, but you can replace it. So we're going to go ahead and do that now. And I did put a description on the bottom of the YouTube video here, guys, of our link to purchase the part that you need that usually goes bad in the Explorer Sporttracs. So if you guys want to click it and order it from my YouTube page, I'm an affiliate, so I get paid. So keep bringing you cool videos like this one showing you how to do this stuff. So there's the broken piece. Now we're going to insert the correct piece. So it just fits right in. And what you're going to have to do is, obviously, you still have screws that are sitting in the piece inside of the truck, or you're missing a couple screws, so you're going to need to get some screws. You might want to put that thing in forward. Make sure you have your screw gun in forward when you're putting the screws in. So we'll go ahead and we'll put all these in, and then we'll install it into the truck with the mount here. So we're in a 2004 Ford Explorer Sporttrac, and we need to take off the broken armrest bracket. So we're going to go ahead and this little cover right here we're going to remove, and there'll be 2 screws in there on this side and on that side. So we'll pop that off there. We're using a knife, but a butter knife. You guys can use anything you want. Screwdrivers. If you have plastic prying tools, I have those tools, but just wanted to get something quick and easy in there to dismantle. So that's out. So now you see there's 2 screws in there, and we'll take those out. We'll tell you what kind of screws they are in a second here. The socket you're going to need is a 5/16. I don't know if you guys could see that. We're just using a regular 3/8 socket with a 5/16 deep socket. We're going to go ahead and remove both of these, so I'll do that. Well, there's one. And the other. And you got to recline the seats all the way up to get to these. I'll take this out right now. Taking out the right side, 2 screws. And then we will grab the armrest that we just fixed, and we will put that in place. We're going to go ahead and pull it out. So, yep, just wobbles right out, and then we'll go ahead and put the new one in. Go ahead and we are going to insert it. Obviously you can see there like that. And we got it down in the correct sleeve area there. And we're going to insert our screws on this side here. See if I can get you a better lighting view. You need the wrench. Alright, so after you're done tightening up the screws, just go ahead and put your cover back on, snap it into place, and we are done. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Thanks for looking at our YouTube video. Have a great day.